Hey everyone, it's Leon. Today got me a DJI mic that I've been eyeing forever, and I finally got it in. So I want to do a little unbox today and then do a little sound test to let you guys hear what it sounds like on here. Pretty much every single creators that I know are using this mic. Yeah, even over the road too, I noticed. So anyhow, let's go ahead and unbox it today and let's see. That's beautiful. As soon as I open up that box, you saw that the lights turns up, tells you how much battery is left on these receiver. So check this out. This is the whole caboodle. It comes with two mic in case you're doing, two interviews, so you can mic two people up. And then also at the same time, notice there are some lightning connectors there, and then also USB connectors as well if I want to use my iPad. Let's check out what's inside here. Alright. So there's a DJI bag that you can throw the entire box into. There's some dead cats here to connect to the mic itself. The only thing is, can it fit in the box if I were to use this? It looks good. So it's a twist on actually. Not sure if you guys can see this right here, but you just pop it on and you twist and it stays in place. Obviously it's DJI, so they know how to design this. Yeah, doesn't fall out. Let's see if it'll fit in the box if I have the dead cat on. No, it will not. So you're gonna have to replace the dead cat if you want to put it into the box. Alright, great to know. I'll throw those in there. Really thick 3.5 millimeter jack here. Obviously to go into, if you have like a mirrorless camera, DSLR, that kind of stuff. Very thick. And then USB-C to charge the entire thing up. Alrighty, let's see. So the box has about half battery, while all the mics and receiver has about half battery as well. Alright, so let's take a look at this right here. Now guys, this is my first time actually looking into this. There's features on there that I didn't even know exist. And the one thing that I noticed already is the record function, that you can actually record on the mic here. Nice. When I press this thing actually vibrates, by the way, and then obviously you saw the red light turns on there. Very responsive. If I were to tap on this, let's say if I would take out a second one. Oops, there we go. See, that came up. Right here is telling me that this one is charging, which is the one that's in the box, and then the one that I'm holding is this one right here. See, if I would press this power button, what does it do? Nothing. If I have to hold it down, it vibrates. This whole thing vibrates and it turns off. And there you have it. It's only showing me this one is alive now. Alright, so let's take a look here. This comes with a lightning adapter, which it reminds me of, this connection reminds me of what's on the Osmo Pocket. I think DJI literally took this whole design from the Osmo Pocket. Alright, so let's attach this onto the phone. there. This mic is hot right now. Testing 1 2 3. Yeah, you can see it jumping. All right, let's do a little test real quick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this thing in my hand, because a real mic test is when you hold it in your hand and it doesn't pick up you rubbing on the mic. That's, to me, that's the real mic test, and not, you know, how good the audio is. If they can prevent my finger from just rubbing on the casing here and it transmitting to the mic, then I say they've done a good job with the quality of this mic. All right, so let's take a look real quick. We're gonna do a recording. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Now I'm holding it on here and I'm slightly rubbing it just to see if it's transmitting over. It doesn't feel like it is, because I'm looking at the wave and it's not doing anything when I'm rubbing against it. So I'm pretty sure they have some pretty good shielding here. So yeah, let's take a look here. All right, the mic is exactly where it should be. I mean, where you would wear it on your shirt. But let's say if I were to move it out a little bit further. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. Testing. This is the DJI Mic. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. So anyway, I hope the audio here. So a couple things that I noticed is that I have the lightning adapter attached on here, but check this out. DJI have thought about it where I don't have to take the lightning adapter off at all. I can actually put it in the box here, and you see the lightning adapter just fits right in there. The other thing is, this case is really nice. I put everything in there and not falling off at all, guys. Okay, folks, so the one thing that I want to show you guys is how does this perform inside your shirt. Literally, the mic is inside my shirt right here. So if you look at this right here, there's a little magnet that you can detach. Literally, it's just attached on there as a magnet. It's very strong, by the way. It will clip you. So I've removed that, and then I put the mic inside my shirt and the magnet outside. You see this right here? All right, so let's see how it performs. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is the DJI Mic inside my shirt that I'm talking to here, and I'm gonna be moving it around a little bit just to see how it sounds. Maybe it's rubbing up against my shirt. I can't imagine it's not, right? It's one of those things where I don't think I've ever had any mic that when I clip on my shirt that it doesn't make noise when I'm rubbing against it. But this is pretty incredible if it doesn't. So what do you guys think? And notice the distance between my mouth and the mic as well. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is a test on the DJI Mic, and I'm actually not screaming at all. I'm just talking normally as I would with any video that I record. So I don't know. What do you guys think? So there you have it, guys. That's the DJI Mic. It's performing very well. I can't wait to get this thing into the editing room and see how it sounds. Anyway, I hope you guys find it useful. I will see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.